Hello, Reapers. I'm not gonna regret this at all. A California Reaper beef stick. I'm gonna try to show the ingredients to prove it. I know you can't see them, though, is the problem, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I'm gonna not have any milk, though, so this could end up going very badly. But we're gonna try it. Alright. Bite one. Oh! Hot, hot, hot. Alright. It really wasn't that bad, honestly. Yeah. So, bite number 2. Still very, very hot. But, I've been able to deal with it so far. I think I can do it. Whew. Oh gosh. Oh, I only felt part of it. Oh, it hurts. It burns. Oh, I can do it. Oh, oh gosh. Oh. Oh. That remarkably hurt. But I still have like half of it left, so... Oh gosh, it's coming back. A second attack. Okay. I'm strong, I can do this. The bite wasn't that bad. I think I've grown immune to it, because I have had some others, one of these. I tried to record my first reaction, and the recorder, it got corrupted, so, whoops. Alright. These are really good. I got them at Tallgrass Meat Co. Not sponsored. Whew. My gosh. Oh gosh. I can do it. I can do it. Oh, what the heck, why not? Oh. I can't describe what I'm feeling. Oh my gosh, this hurts. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh gosh. Ah, it's coming back for round 2. Okay. Before I die, I wonder if the camera can sense it. I doubt it. I've gotten my first COVID shot, so figured I'd tell you that. Other than that, people, goodbye, and don't do what I did. It really hurts. It's still, just leave me here to die. Goodbye.